Here in South Alabama, azaleas are some of the March blooms everyone looks forward to. In fact, Mobile is considered the azalea city, sparking such titles as the Azalea Trail and the Azalea Trail Maids. There are many different blooms of azaleas down here in the South, and they just bloom for a short time. And I wanted to share a few of those blooms with you. The trilium is such a delicate flower, so pretty. And the wisteria is so dainty as it dangles from the vines up in the trees. Such a lovely, lovely plant. This is a domestic blueberry that grew volunteer in the yard, and it will produce some nice blueberries during the summer. The dewberry is a cousin to the blackberry and is the first ones to bloom and produce. Bridal wreath is so pretty and looks just like its name. It looks like a pretty bridal wreath. Pretty as a picture. Last but not least is the crabapple. It is edible, and it is such a pretty pink, such pretty blooms here in the month of March. Just a few blooms that I wanted to share with you before they were gone.